So again, with the motive of haven't really seen any modern dirt bike crash fail videos that are really interesting, we're going back 2 years to Derek Hallman. It is funny dirt bike crashes and fails of 2021. This thing's racked up 2.6 million views. Let's see if it's worth the 2.6 million views. You guys gonna stick with me through this whole thing? Tell me when you bow out if you get bored. Let me know. Here we go. I hope I laugh. Really hope I laugh. Oh, they threw sound effects in it.
You good?
Excessive editing?
6.5 hours later.
Oh, shit. That was smooth. Oh, come up short.
God!
Oh,
Wow, that was a wild ride.
oh. Why? What? Okay, was that done for content? I'm just gonna come up short and lock up the brakes and... Really? Okay, heavily edited reaction video. Well, this isn't really a reaction video. Heavily edited fails video. Yeah, lots of additions. Okay, well, we'll keep going. This is got some good crashes in it, that's for sure. I'll take that. Dude was leaning back way too far, too much on the gas. Yeah, there's that tipping point where once you get back so far, you're done. Just pitch the bike, be done with it. Thumbs up.
Holy crap! That was now the second time that I get too much speed on the gas coming down that landing, and then I freak out, so I hit the back brake, but I tap the brake too hard, and then I case it and crash.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Oh, short. Get out of the track.
Dude! Oh, what happened?
Oh, I saw the whole thing, dude. First you were all like, whoa, and then we were like, whoa, and then you were like, whoa.
What are you talking about?
What the fuck? Brr.
Who lives in a pineapple under the sea?
Okay, I like that one. I like. That's awesome. Oh.
This crash was my reeds exploding.
Whoops.
If you own a two-stroke, check your reeds so you don't end up like this.
Yeah. I would also say that that's a leaky needle valve on the floats.
Oh my god, dude! Are you alright?
What?
Oh my god.
The trail goes the other way. Just
Yeah,
if you're not gonna hit the jump, go around it.
Dumb.
That was
Very
dumb.
dumb.
Your toughest crash on that, or your hardest crash on that?
No, because I landed in a swimming pool.
Well, true.
Oh, look. Do not roll jumps. Go figure, huh?
Oh, short. Fuck. Oh, he's up.
Oh, got squirrely. Oh.
Good roll, pop up. Like a boss.
Oh, crap.
crap.
I believe I can fly.
Nope.
I believe I can touch the sky.
Oh, Jesus. Huh? I mean, okay, yeah, I was good. I was gonna say something, but going backwards definitely takes the cake. That. No, where was it? Swirly as hell off that jump. But that, yeah, that's... Whoops.
Because it's so
No,
light,
trees.
it's easy to flick around.
Trees. No, tree. Oh, rock tree. That was a corner, dude.
I was just saying on the camera how light and easy this thing is to flick around corners, and then I did that.
And then you meant to go in.
Yeah. I haven't really jumped this thing yet, so I'm a little nervous to see how it handles jumps, because I don't know, something in my mind just tells me that two-strokes handle jumps differently.
What? Faster. Keep it screaming. Nope. Yep.
Oh my god! That's exactly what I get so scared of. Oh, I gave it way too much throttle on the end of that jump, and I was already going too fast. Holy crap.
Another one. Oop, short. That was good. Ooh, what the... Dude.
That was scary as shit. Get on that front.
Oh, I did that the other day. Yep,
Holy
certainly did. Went into a corner, laid the bike down, and laid the bike down. Whoop. Luckily, you're close to the ground, so it's not so bad.
You alright? I broke my collarbone.
I broke my collarbone.
Oh my god! Oh my gosh! I hope he's okay. Caught that out of the corner of my eye.
Ooh. Ooh, yeah, ouch. Are they trying to do that?
Can't case it. No shit. Are you
Can't case it?
Yeah. Definitely done that, but especially in the woods.
Damn. Yeah.
That was a good one.
Oh, trees. Or just washing out front ends.
But I think I got a little bit better of a feel for this bike. So let's see how much better we can do today.
Oh.
my God.
Washed out again. Looks like good Florida sand. Good Florida sand. Probably not, but... Yep.
2 crashes so far in the first session. Off to a good start.
You suck!
Oh my God. Oh.
I mean, with over 600,000 subscribers, yeah, it's kind of cool to take all of your crashes from a 1 year recording and throw them all into a video and some editing. This is interesting. This is apparently, I mean, it's multiple dudes in the video, but it's pretty much one dude and his ventures throughout the year. This is actually kind of neat. It's not what I was expecting by any means, but hey, they're good crashes. They're helmet cams and side crashes, so we'll take it. We'll take it. Let's keep going here. We've got less than a little bit over a minute.
I have fallen so many times on this damn tracks today.
Hard on that brake. Whoop.
12 seconds later.
And do it again. Yep. Ooh, that's squishy sand.
Holy crap, I think I need to take a break.
Alright, wasn't quite what I was expecting. I was expecting a conglomeration of people sending all kinds of stuff in. This is one dude's venture throughout a year. Not too bad. Pretty funny. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. I'll see y'all in the next one. See if we can find something even better.